Hey fellow YouTubers, this is N0AGI. I'm here to do a short video on the MNDMR dashboard. There have been a few features that were added to the site, so I'm hoping to cover some of those in this latest walkthrough. First things first, you'll probably notice a few changes to the way the site is laid out. And one of the things we added just recently is this section here that speaks to the number of incoming requests to the dashboard from around the world. Surprisingly, there are people outside of the United States who are visiting the MNDMR dashboard, and I also got a couple of emails from one of those actually visitors. Actually, one guy in Taiwan. He wanted to learn more about how we are doing it, etc. But long story short, so we added this piece of the dashboard and gives us a kind of an overview of where the requests are coming in to the dashboard. Again, this is still in beta stage, so I might decide to make some more tweaks to it over time. But please do let me know if you have any feedback or questions or comments for this section. Um, the other couple of additions I made to the dashboard are the choices for the color of these charts. So for example, the default is a default, and then you can choose other colors, if you will, depending on your choice and so forth. So that's there, nothing fancy, but thought I'd add that in there for users who like to have different color choices for the dashboard. Um, the other piece we added to the dashboard are these links to the to various resources. One of the primary links is the minimal watch, so you could click in there and that should bring you up to this page here. This is the MNDMR Seabridge minimal net watch page. Um, and so you should be able to get to it from there directly. You can also go into the MNDMR.net repeaters webpage and take a look at the repeaters in the MNDMR Seabridge. As of today, we have Dan's Litchfield, we have Don's MSP and his airport, we got Bill's Faribault and Rochester, you got my Medina and the Buck Hill repeater systems. And we are having some conversations with other repeater owners who are in the process of evaluating MNDMR Seabridge, if they are interested versus not, pros and cons sort of a thing. So always excited to add more repeaters to the network to grow the MNDMR network. So anyway, so that's that, and then there's the link to the MNDMR dashboard YouTube video, which will be this video, a link to this video that is, and then there's also the another video that kind of walks through the MNDMR.net web page and the website. So those links have been added to the very top because users have been asking how to get to these resources from right within the dashboard. What I'd like to draw your attention to uh, is for this show real-time activity. Uh, Before I do that, I want to show you. Let's go back into the minimal watch. So this is like I said, the MNDMR Seabridge's minimal watch page. What MNDMR dashboard provides is a way to show this dashboard, or rather show this minimal watch right within the dashboard page. So you have a one-stop shop for everything you need about the MNDMR Seabridge monitoring and network traffic and things of that nature. And the way you enable that, I have Google Chrome, and historically we have not been able to enable this feature that easily for Google Chrome. I just recently discovered that you could add a command line parameter to your Google Chrome shortcut, and that should enable that feature very nicely. So if you go to this dashboard and just copy paste your this text here, just copy it as is, and then go into your Google Chrome shortcut, and let's do and right click on properties. So click on your shortcut. Let's say you had a desktop shortcut for Google Chrome, wherever you are, just right click on that and then go into its properties by right clicking and then go into the properties window. That should bring up your properties window. Go into the shortcut tab and then go into this target field and go all the way to the right end of that field, the text in that field, insert a space, and then paste that text we just copied. Okay, and then hit OK. All right, so now let's close off. But before I close off the browser, I want to show you something, just so you can appreciate the difference that would bring to the experience for you. So when you click on the show real-time activity, um, I don't see anything happening on the dashboard page. You can uncheck, check, nothing happens. So now let me close off the browser, close off the minimal watch. Let's go open the Chrome browser again. This time it opens up the browser in a separate quote unquote sandbox. And it opens this sandbox uh, with a fresh settings, if you will, meaning none of your favorites or your passwords or stored passwords or your usernames will be carried forward to this shortcut because you added that extra command line parameter to the shortcut. So this would be a new instance of the Google Chrome shortcut, if you will. Okay. So, and then it pops up this yellow pop-up message. You are using an unsupported command line flag. If you see that, just close it off. No need to worry. And then let's go back into the dashboard and then hit enter. So now you see the same page load, right? Nothing different here. But when you click on the show activity right now, real-time activity, you will see the net watch, the minimal net watch right within the dashboard. So you can uncheck that to hide it, check that back again to show it. And so this is a real-time monitoring, just like your minimal net watch. Now you have the minimal net watch right within your Google Chrome dashboard browser experience. So that's what I wanted to kind of show you quick in this quick walkthrough. For IE, to enable this experience in IE, just watch this YouTube video and that'll show you how to do it in IE. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please do send us your feedback or any comments. Would love to help answer any questions and help improve the MNDMR experience and the dashboard experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.